Hey guys, so a few days back I told you that the K30 may feature side-mounted fingerprint scanner, 120Hz display and Sony's new 60 megapixel camera. That's all along with Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 735 CPU. It turns out all the information was super legit. So we have got some hands-on live images of the Redmi K30 which is in the case right now, but clearly shows the hole punch selfie shooters, and the about device section also confirms the model name as K30 as well as the operating system which is the MIUI 11. Now this image confirms that K30 do features 120Hz refresh rate. There is an option to switch between 60Hz and 120Hz. Switching to 120Hz means the screen would refresh 120 times per second, giving you super smooth experience. You can always switch back to 60Hz if you wanna save some battery, or you can use dynamic refresh rate. That means it will switch automatically to 120Hz or 60Hz depending on what you are using right now. In this image, the device is running AIDA64 application which showcase the specifications, and the K30 is having 6.6 inches IPS LCD panel. Most important is it's running Adreno 618 GPU which is coming along with the Snapdragon 735 CPU. MediaTek use Mali GPU, so we are on the safe side right now. And finally, AIDA64 also mentions 120Hz refresh rate. Now a few things I wanna talk about in terms of the display and the performance. The K20 came with AMOLED panel, so IPS is for sure a huge downgrade. It's not like Samsung denied Xiaomi. This is Xiaomi's own decision cause Samsung has already started shipping their hole punch design and displays to other brands. An IPS panel is the only reason why Xiaomi is not using in-display fingerprint scanner. However, specifications wise Xiaomi is always nailing it down. Snapdragon 735 silicon, Sony's IMX686 camera which is not even official yet, and 120Hz screen. This is super amazing. And this is the Redmi K30 we are talking about. It's not the K30 Pro. The K30 Pro may use all these specifications but with the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU or MediaTek flagship processor. So get ready, Xiaomi's cheapest 5G phone is coming with some ultimate amazing specifications, and Xiaomi has also announced its 100-watt charging tech at MIDC, but it's not coming along with the K30 or K30 Pro. Xiaomi will be using it next year in 2020 with the Xiaomi Mi 10 or Xiaomi Mix 5, but not the K30 right now. So like, subscribe and turn on the notification to get the latest news. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.